Hello, today we look at how control and coordination takes place within the human body and how it affects our movement and behavior. We will first of all have a look at a brief description of the items we will be looking at. Control and coordination. First of all, control. What is control? It is the response of different organs. Coordination is when all these organs work and function together. How are they actually related? If one organ has to basically coordinate or work together with a different organ, we say coordination has taken place. The system that is responsible for the functioning of these, like control and coordination of the organs, is the nervous system. What is coordination? It is simply a process by which different parts of the body function together at the same time. They bring about control over different organs, which we'll have a look at a bit later. Example for coordination: if a person lifts an object, there has to be some coordination from the brain to the arm. How can this go about and how does it take place? Which we'll deal with later. Control is when coordination takes place and that specific function has to be carried out. So in order for that function to be carried out, there has to be a certain control over the actions and correspondingly its reactions. When we look at systems, we have to talk about the nervous system and the endocrine system. These two systems are wholly responsible for the functioning and controlling and coordinating of the different organs within our body. The nervous system comprises of the central nervous system, the CNS, and the peripheral nervous system. The endocrine system comprises of organs that secrete hormones which are useful for our daily usage. What are the types of nervous systems? There are two basic kinds, as we have mentioned previously: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. What is the central nervous system? What does it comprise of? The brain and the spinal cord are structures which are protected by bony elements, membranes, and fluid. These form the central nervous system. The brain is held within the cranial cavity of the skull, and it comprises of the cerebellum, the cerebrum, and the brain stem. Nerves within this system, or the central nervous system, which we're looking at, comprise of cranial nerves that radiate out from the brain and spinal nerves that radiate out from the spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system, on the other hand, is made up of nerve fibers that spread out from the spinal cord and connect to all parts of the body and help in carrying and relaying messages. What are the types of peripheral nervous systems? There are two basic kinds: the autonomic nervous system, which handles reactions automatically within the body, and the voluntary nervous system, which reacts upon voluntary actions. The other system, which is the endocrine system, as we referred to earlier on in our introduction, said that it produced hormones, or it had glands that produced hormones. Endocrine system comprises of glands which secrete that specific substance called the hormone, which is nothing but a substance which helps in speeding up a reaction, at the same time controlling and coordinating a specific activity within our human body. Example, the activities and the growth of living organisms. Hormones help in inducing that portion which basically help organisms to be active. Hormones are nothing but chemical messengers that are produced in a certain specific gland depending on the nature of its procedure that it has to carry out. The other kind of glands called exocrine glands or external glands, on the other hand, produce and secrete into tubes or ducts, meaning that their secretion is external. Endocrine organs or glands secrete their hormones or substances directly into the blood stream. I hope you have enjoyed the presentations. If you'd like to see more presentations, you can always visit us on our website at www.arrangeacademy.com. Furthermore, for a subscription, you could always check us out on Facebook at www.facebook.com/arrangeacademy. You can subscribe to us also on our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/c/arrangejaneacademy. Thank you.